A very good afternoon to everyone. Today is a great day in the history of content creators. We have with us four famous personalities: Pakshi Shivdasani, RJ Malicious, Mostly Insane, and Arnab Broswami. Well, I know you're wondering what Mr. Broswami is doing amongst these content creators. Well, he now wishes to become a viral YouTuber as he wants to appeal to a much wider and diverse audience. They congregate to make a video on the freedom of speech, and here is their discussion.
Hello everyone, I am Arnab Broswami and these are the guests on my panel tonight.
Hello, guys. This is RJ Malicious.
Hi guys, I'm mostly insane.
Guys, this is Pakshi Shivdasani.
Alright, that's with the introductions alright. So welcome everyone to Independence TV. But today we will be having...
TV.
Apologies. Welcome to this discussion for my YouTube channel where we will be partaking in my Who Can Shout the Loudest show.
Show.
My sincere apologies. Today we have a Zoom meeting with us. I have with me three star personalities. I'm better than them. RJ Malicious, Pakshi Shivdasani, and Mostly Insane. I generally don't bother taking suggestions from others, but I really need their help right now. So let's just get this over with. I want to be famous. And what better way to start off than by making a viral YouTube video? So today...
YouTube video? You want to make a viral YouTube video with us?
Exactly. You want to make a viral YouTube video. Wow.
So the boy I'm talking to isn't enough. I have to hear your rules as well.
Guys, what if he has like a valid point? I mean, think of it. We will be minting so much money and we'll get so many followers. Arnab is so trending.
What do you mean by he is trending? I thought I was Mumbai's biggest Rani.
I'm sorry to interrupt, but let's please get back to the point. So today, I've invited the three of you here to get your opinions on freedom of speech. I have called you here so I can get your unfiltered and true opinions.
You are here to speak about freedom of speech, huh? Because you know how many times artists like us are questioned and challenged every day. We have to be so careful of our words, our actions, and our reactions. Oh my god, guys, look at me. I am rhyming. You think you know more.
Wait. What is this freedom of speech, huh? Aren't we all born with it? See, I can talk. That's freedom of speech.
Okay. I wish it didn't have to come to this. So here's a little lesson. The Constitution provides the right of freedom to every citizen of India, given in Article 19, with the view of guaranteeing individual rights that were considered vital by the framers of the Constitution. The right to freedom in Article 19 guarantees the freedom of speech and expression as one of the 6 freedoms.
What? One second, Broswami. I'm pretty sure that flew right over Pakshi's head. So here's to put it simply. Freedom of speech is the right to state one's opinions and ideas without being stopped or punished. Sometimes this is also called freedom of expression.
Hey, yeah, that's common sense, Ray. But you tell me, why does it exist if we are not permitted to use it?
What do you mean by that? That makes no sense.
So you really don't know what's happening around you? Oh God. Okay. A few weeks ago, I was sent a letter by the local authorities just because I made a comment about potholes. Come on, Arnab. तुझा मालावर भरोसा नाही का?
But why do local authorities care so much about your comment on potholes? Like, why?
You can't be serious about this. Obviously, you have to know that none of what we speaks is truly free. We can only say what sits right with the authorities. I've been to the UN and I still have to be careful about what I say.
When on earth did you go to the UN?
You didn't hear? I went to the United Nations meet 2 weeks ago.
Okay, wait. You know what? Now that I think of it, even on my social media, like whenever I post a video, there's always this one person who freely spreads hate comments and speech about mocking my voice. Like mocking my voice, seriously?
Would you really term that as violation of one's freedom of speech?
You're throwing this term around. I can't believe it. Freedom of speech has just become a widely misused term. Anyone and everyone spouts nonsense against whatever they want, including really sensitive topics like the army and the government and other things, by saying whatever is on their mind and claiming that, oh, it's freedom of speech, we can say what we want. And those with truly valid points are shot down because of those misusing this term like y'all, as everyone ignores them.
Can you
I just don't
elaborate,
like.
please? Can you please elaborate?
Absolutely. So, hate speech law in India aims to prevent a discord among the many ethnic and religious communities. The law allows a citizen to seek punishment for anyone who shows them disrespect on the grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, caste, gender identity, or any other grounds whatsoever. This allows every citizen of the country to truly express themselves as and how they wish to.
Wait. I just checked online and you are lying, bro, Swami. Just like my BFF, she lied about this dress. She said she got it from Zara, but then I could clearly see the 499 rupees wala tag. And I'm certain, just like her lying, there are certain restrictions to the law that you don't know about.
What do you mean by I'm lying? How dare you accuse me of something like that?
Okay, fine. Let me show you. See, on the website Infopedia, it clearly says that this law is subject to certain restrictions, stating that Article 19 allows for reasonable restrictions to be imposed on all fundamental rights, including that of freedom of speech and expression. You know what this means? This clearly means that we can't truly speak our minds. It has to be filtered just like our Insta post.
Come on. You have to filter
Yeah.
some of it.
I remember that a few days ago, a comedian was arrested and detained for making a joke and speaking his mind.
Yes. This is a very common phenomenon, huh? It happens across all forms of media and to all kinds of artists, including singers, actors, influencers, and even RJs like me. There are so many lines that we have to keep editing, we have to keep changing just because it might hurt someone. And until we get our version that appeals to all the masses, we have to keep this going. Oh my god, what a struggle, you guys.
Yes, I totally agree. I think there should be a line drawn between freedom of speech and hate speech.
Wait, but then, like, if you give it a thought, it's because of the diversity in our country. In fact, it might be better to have some limitations regarding what people can speak, so you don't hurt sentiments and emotions.
Exactly, that's exactly what I wanted to say.
See?
Come on, that's a beautiful point.
But
What
what?
about...
No. You
Come
have
on, you
to
can't be
listen to me.
serious.
You
Yes,
there should be
yes,
limitations.
yes,
We will
yes.
have to talk
And freedom of
nice.
कल सुबह मैंने न्यूज देखा था और मैं फिर से चौंक गई थी। एक और कॉमेडियन को अरेस्ट किया और इन सब के पीछे कौन था? वहाँ कौन था? मैं थी, तुम थी, मैं थी, तुम थी, कौन था? कौन था? कौन था?
Freedom of speech.
फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच। बहुत लोगों ने किया वायलेट और जो भी चाहे लोग ने जवाब दिया फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच। इसके नाम पे लोग कभी स्प्रेड ऑफ हेट और मासूम लोगों को जो उठा दिया